Hey, it's spring. Why don't you come in at Sacksteders? I'm up here at the Montgomery store. There's some cute little pillows we just got in, and they're like $30, I think. And anyway, they're really nice. It just adds a bit of spring. But here, why don't you just come back here and see what we have going on? If you're looking for lamps, that's a hard thing, I think, to find. We have a lot of different lamps for you to look at. And of course, they accent our beautiful sofas. And then as you go through here, there's some different cocktail tables, end tables. Sometimes just changing up your room with a new cocktail table can make a big difference, you know. Seems like that's one of the last things people take the time to buy. These beautiful arrangements by Nikki and Jackie. This brings some happiness to everybody. And a lot of swivel chairs. Heck, who doesn't like a nice swivel chair? I do, because I can see everything that's going on in my home. So come on back here. We have nice dining tables. This is a new one that we have. You can use your existing chairs. We can buy chairs to show you different ones, but it has that nice wood top to it with the dark black bottom. So it's kind of a cool look. I mean, that's nice for in a kitchen, a lower level. You know, a lot of the lower levels, this can be more of a game table. A lot of different sectionals. We do a lot of different pillows, as I said. Artwork. And it's gonna rain again. But everybody enjoys coming in. It makes you happy. And part of what makes you happy is just seeing different things and the florals. I mean, us girls, we spend all this money on doing our yards come spring, Mother's Day. And then we have to take care of all those flower arrangements. This we can do it inside, and it just really softens up your room. Another nice dining table by Bernhardt Furniture. Nice chairs are on a coat casters. And we sell beds. We sell more upholstered beds than anything. Because with the upholstered beds, you can still use the dresser and nightstands that you already have, but maybe you just want to dress it up, change it up, lighten it up. Lots of times you want to have darker tables or nightstands, and you can lighten it up with your new bed. Bigger coffee tables for that larger area. Works out kind of nice. Again, the great room's the size of what that is, or even going down to your lower level. This is just a nice table. So I guess that kind of gives you an idea of Sacksteders. And if you have all your furniture and you just want accessories, that's what we do. We do a lot of those. Our in-home design service is $75. We come out to your home. It's for 1 hour. We ask you to come back to our store and see all our beautiful pieces. Give us a call, Sacksteders Interiors. We're in Montgomery by Joseph Chevrolet, and we're at the Brookville Lake exit off of 74, 36 years. Why not come to Sacksteders? We have great pricing and beautiful pieces.